Hi everybody, and welcome to the online membership classes where all kinds of happy things and cool things and empowering practices happen. My name is Sara Alavi, the Holistic Healing Concierge, your Holistic Healing Concierge. So the membership classes are like this. First of all, Monday, Wednesday, Friday mornings, Central Time from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. I will be guiding you in a Zoom live class. So 3 days a week. The days that you may miss, I do have in the back office. After you sign up, you will have a login information. We'll create it together and I will guide you through this. And I will in fact be happy to call you and talk you and walk you through how to prepare for classes, how to modify, and how to feel welcomed and safe and ready and prepared so that you have all the props you need. We use props like bolsters, a chair, and blocks, and I will explain as we get together. But as soon as you sign up, you will get a phone call from me. We'll set you up and you can log in the back office. I have at least about maybe 30 videos, pre-recorded videos for you to practice and enjoy on the days that you may need to or the days you may miss class, one of the Zoom classes. So the yoga therapy is different than yoga. Yoga poses are considered yoga practice. But in the yoga therapy, I will be treating you like a whole person. So we will enjoy some tapping, which is emotional freedom technique, which is just tapping through the points on the body, the acupuncture points, and some affirmations. I will guide you in meditation practices. Some of the classes will include some hypnosis, which is just positive affirmations, positive suggestions to help your body and mind relax completely. We will have all the yoga poses modified. Every class you will be perfectly suitable and strong enough, flexible enough to practice them. This is about empowering you. This is about helping you transform. Really, that's the biggest gift that anyone can give themselves or the people they love. So these classes include a little bit of everything: restorative yoga, yin yoga, hatha yoga, kundalini yoga. It's a mixture of different yoga styles, but everything is geared and designed for you, your level, your style, with empowering you, helping you feel confident, heal from all kinds of issues like fight and flight and procrastination. I will address each of those human struggles, and we'll do classes about them to turn it around and to empower ourselves. And we'll also include some sound healing. I will play you my gong and sing and bowl. We'll do a little chanting, nothing woo-woo, but a little bit of everything to help you feel great for the day. I hope you join me. If you have any questions, feel free to call, text, email, and I'm right here a phone call away. I'm not that busy for you. I will always have time for you. With that, I'll sign off. Namaste. Thank you again for being here, and I will see you in class.